Welcome back to Code with Me. In this lesson, we're going to learn about events and event listeners in JavaScript. Events allow us to make our web pages interactive by responding to user actions like clicks, key presses, form submissions, and more. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to handle click events, how to listen for key presses, what event delegation is and why it's useful, how to prevent default actions in JavaScript. Let's dive in. Handling click events. One of the most common user interactions is clicking on a button. To handle this, we use the add-event-listener method. Example: const button equals document.querySelector myButton, button.addEventListener click function, alert, button was clicked. Whenever the user clicks the button with the ID equals myButton, an alert will pop up saying, button was clicked. We can also define the function separately and pass it to addEventListener. Function handle click, console.log, you click the button, button.addEventListener click handle click, keydown and keyup events. We can detect when the user presses or releases a key using keydown and keyup events. Example: document.addEventListener, keydown function event, console.log, key pressed event.key. This logs the key that was pressed. Keydown triggers when a key is pressed. Keyup triggers when a key is released. Example: document.addEventListener, keyup function event, console.log, key released event.key. This is useful for cases where you want to trigger an action when the key is released, such as stopping a character in a game. Event delegation. Sometimes we want to listen for events on multiple elements without adding event listeners to each one. This is where event delegation comes in handy. Instead of adding event listeners to every child element, we add one listener to the parent and check which child triggered the event. Example: document.querySelector.parentList.addEventListener click function event. If event target tag name equal li console.log, you clicked on event.target.textContent. This allows us to handle clicks on any list item inside parent list, even if new items are added dynamically. Preventing default actions. Some elements, like links and form submissions, have default behaviors that we might want to prevent. Example: preventing a link from redirecting. JavaScript document.querySelector, tap mylink.addEventListener, click, function event.preventDefault, / stops the link from navigating console.log, link clicked but navigation prevented. This is useful when you want to handle the click manually, such as opening a modal instead of navigating away. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more JavaScript lessons. See you in the next one.